here is it's one of our projects. It's classic Ford Anglia. The whole idea came because sooner or later all of the cars gonna become electric. That's the target, and lots of places gonna be banned from driving in with a petrol or diesel fuel cars. So we thought that it's our duty to take all those beautiful classic cars into the future by supplying them electric motors instead of classic old engines. Obviously it's a challenge because what we are trying to do here is to keep this car as original as possible and give to the driver a full classic car driving experience. So we're not really making Ford Anglia looking car with Tesla underneath. We're producing new parts and supplying a completely new source of power to drive that car. So this car gonna be equipped in the standard gearbox. We're still gonna be selecting gears, so we're still gonna be using your clutch. It's gonna be full classic car experience, and just the power supply gonna be different. 3D scanning is a tool that we are using for having the full understanding and make it possible to make us the company who's going to supply the engine and the needed components is a company in Poland. So obviously they are working on the car kind of remotely, so they cannot come every single day and do the measurements, see the engine fits or not. So we need to supply them with lots of data they need. For example, the size of the engine bay. If you look into the engine bay, there's lots of elements that are important. We're going to be building new brackets, new fittings for the brand new engine. It has to be compatible to the original classic gearbox. So by scanning the engine bay, we're giving them the full knowledge of how much space we have, what are the proportions, and where to locate the components, because it's not only about the engine, it's as well modules, ECU computers, loom, all the very important things that are needed to power and fuel this car. And 3D scanning is giving us opportunity to make it professional way and as quick as possible by sending them 3D scans. We already scanned the gearbox, we already scanned the clutch, and then we scanned the car, engine bay, floor of the car to show them where to fit the batteries and how big can they be. So this tool is giving us opportunity to do a professional job without flying abroad and bringing the team in here. I'm thinking that's the only way to do it professional and as easy as possible. It's going to be a fantastic project because most of the people who hear about it or find out about it, they say, it was my very first car. Now we're going to give them a chance to use this car in the future when we're going to have a problem with non-electric cars.